Learn Okinawan Kobujutsu with me.
This is a vertical punch. So instead of landing like this, we're landing like this. Now, regardless of the thumb where it's placed, because some will place the thumb up here on top, Chinese call this a sun punch because the fist in this orientation looks like the old Chinese character for sun. But that's neither here nor there. That's just extra information and knowledge for you. The teko is a metal weapon, and you got 3 metal studs on it. Now, a lot of times in karate, empty hand, we're hitting solar plexus when we do a chewed-on punch. That's our primary target. When we're using weapons, our primary target moves from solar plexus to middle of the sternum because you can more easily crack that sternum bone. Also, if you follow stuff about chi flow in the body, if you're not afraid to talk about chi flow, I know some people are afraid to talk about it, but there's 3 meridians that cross through the middle of the sternum. So you're actually hitting 3 acupressure points if you hit the middle of the sternum. So with a metal weapon, I'm going to hit 3 acupressure points. I'm going to possibly break the sternum bone, and I'm crushing the heart directly behind it. So when we're using weapons, middle of the sternum. When empty hand, solar plexus as your primary target. That doesn't mean you can't hit sternum with an empty hand. It doesn't mean you can't use weapons to hit solar plexus. These are just our primary. So when I'm doing empty hand, I'm focused solar plexus. When I'm doing weapons, I'm now focusing on the middle of the sternum. So where the mind goes will change as to what you're doing. So we're chambered here when doing the teko because of the studs on the side makes it harder to chamber like this. You can still chamber like this with teko because the studs aren't that bad, but still chamber like this. Then whenever you fire with it, boom, you're hitting vertically. Same thing, you're not turning over, but you still drive from the earth, drive the hips, shoulders, boom. Whole body goes into punch. It isn't just arm. Again, when you're training, practice slow and then slowly build up speed and power into it. Thank you.